6 things you should not do when cleaning your windows. Your windows gather an accumulation of dust and dirt that can block light and look unsightly on sunny days. It is an eyesore to see your windows all dusty and looking dirty, when they should be sparkling clean to reflect the cleanliness of your home. However, cleaning the windows can be a tricky and challenging task, for you can spread more dirt if you don't do it correctly. Therefore, you will require more hacks and strategies to clean your windows effectively for this home task. Since cleaning the window can be tricky, but we need it done effectively, we will highlight common mistakes that you should avoid. Unfortunately, these mistakes can make cleaning your windows stressful and time-consuming. But we will save you stress and prevent an ineffective approach to cleaning your window by highlighting these mistakes you often make. Number 1. Cleaning your window on a sunny day. We are sure you do not consider the weather or how sunny it is when you clean your window. Cleaning your window when the sun is blazing hot will make the task more complicated and will leave a streak of detergent residue on the glass surface. When you spray the cleaning material on the window surface, the sun quickly dries them up before you wipe that portion with your cleaning material. And this will leave a hazy streak on the window surface and further cause a dull appearance on the surface. Ditch cleaning when it is sunny, or you do this task in the evening so the solution can stay longer on the window before you wipe it clean with your fiber material or soft cloth. You will succeed in wiping off dirt and dust when the window surface is still moist. Number 2. Cleaning without dusting. It is a mistake to start spraying cleaning solutions without first dusting the window. You should use a handheld vacuum cleaner or a brush for brushing off dust and dirt before you start cleaning. It is difficult to get a sparkling clean surface when there is dust and dirt on the window surfaces, which then leaves a film of dirt when soaked with the cleaning solution. It will be a waste of effort when you fail to clean the dust and dirt before using your spray solution to wipe clean the window. Number 3. Cleaning with rough or old clothes. Many of you would have been using your old clothes or rags to clean your window. However, these materials do not clean the window effectively and will leave streaks of dirt or scratch the surface of the window. At FastKlean, we provide microfiber cloths to clean windows for effectiveness and eco-friendliness. Thus, we recommend using a microfiber cloth to get your window thoroughly clean rather than damage it with rough materials. Some people also use newspapers known to be effective, but we still recommend microfiber cloth for this purpose. Number 4. Cleaning all your windows in a day. Since the window is not something we clean regularly, we do not see why you should be in haste to finish all the windows in the home a day. Instead, we recommend that you clean one part a day and do the others tomorrow. For example, you can decide to clean the windows in the sitting room one day and the other rooms the other day. This strategy will make it easier for you, and you can focus on doing a clean job before moving to the others. Cleaning your window is a task, and doing all the windows in a day will quickly get you exhausted. And in the process, you might do a less effective job because of fatigue. Number 5. Cleaning inside and outside the window has the same pattern. One mistake you may have made in cleaning your window is that you clean the in and out of the window in the same pattern. Doing it this way will make it difficult to ascertain which side has films of dirt that you will not retouch. Our advice is that you choose to clean one side, the outside, in a horizontal pattern and the other side, the inside, in a vertical way. Then, by the pattern of the films of the dirt from films, you can easily detect from which side the film was formed and quickly redo or clean it up. Number 6. Using less solution on the window. You should avoid skimping on your window cleaner, for it only makes it hard to remove all the dirt with less solution. We understand that you want to save money, so you mind the amount of solution used in cleaning the window. However, you may use more solutions when you find out that the little you used did not get the job done. Thus you should apply as much solution when you spray them on the window to get all dirt off at a go. Looking at the 6 mistakes discussed above, you may be guilty of most, if not all, in cleaning your windows. They make it difficult and ineffective in doing a great job. Thus we should check the list above and change the patterns we used in cleaning windows. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.